today I'm gonna do the orange and yellow and maybe fitting green today, because that's easier for me. So we're gonna move our way over to, I think we're gonna start with maybe orange, because it's like the next color rainbow and stuff. Moving these fidgets over a little bit, because I feel like they're too close to the fireplace. So, first orange fidget. I'm actually going to do this. I made it into the bin. Okay. This little one, I counted him as orange because he basically is orange. And can I just I keep on landing them. Okay. I have a lot of monkey noodles in orange. I think there's like 3 or 4. No, if the ramen noodles are counted. Which I don't actually think they are. This is one of the glow-in-the-dark orange ones. They're counted as orange. I'm just throwing them into the fidget bin. It's the little star fidget spinner. Keep on landing them. This is just a rain. I mean, still fidget. It's not really a fidget. It's still just in my fidget bin. So, ramen noodle, ramen noodle. Oh my god, I missed. I missed. I don't like getting missed. We'll get that. These are the textured ones. Like, see the texture on them? There. At least I landed it. This little squishy guy. Little guy with eyes. Why do I keep on landing except for that one? This one I haven't opened. This little squishy guy. I messed that one up too. Squishy, I think this is orange, right? It looks like a reddish orange because you can't see it right now, but it looks like red. But through video, it looks like orange, so I'm just gonna count it orange. Orange needle, it's just these. I had 4 of the orange thingies. Look, I had 1 and then, what did I say? 1, 2, 3. I'm bad at this. Dude. Pop it ring. I'm gonna actually put those back. Because if those don't be back, so let's just put those back real quick. Because I want to get the orange fidgets in here. How did one land there? This is actually impressive how far they flew. Like, oh my gosh. That actually flew really far. So, next we're doing yellow, because I feel like it. I feel like a yellow person right now. I'm actually going to just do this. Like I could. Made it that time. Next, grab the one that I missed. Like I could. Okay, I'm leaving that one there because I missed it. I might show it in the rainbow video again. But, yellow. Starting off with this squishy balls. This is satisfying. I just love that noise. Made it in. Another one of these squishy guys. I love doing that. Another one of these textured ones. You can't really see, but they have like the texture of, well, like lined texture. You can see. And they're like stressed out. You can see like the light reflecting on them. I missed that one as well. This one, I don't get the point of this fidget. It's kind of just like these little balls that you need with different colors. I don't get the point of it. That one's pretty loud. Fidget. Got that one in. Another like glow in the dark yellow monkey noodle. Don't judge how many I have. Have to. They're all yellow. This one, I can't like twist it that much, which is weird. It got stuck like that for some reason. I keep on missing him. This little guy. He's so cute. At least I made him. This little stretchy one. I have so many monkey noodles in yellow. This is my mini Poppet keychain. I had one Poppet rainbow thing that I'm gonna show in the rainbow video. This one, beep. Oh my gosh. keep on missing. Oh, got this strong color. I got mixed up. This dinosaur thing. It's not even a Fidget. Satisfying. I actually made it before it crashed my ears out. Another ramen noodles and yellow ramen noodles. Whee! Okay. And then there's this star, which I think is adorable because he has that cute look in his face. I counted these, but if anyone knows what these are, I can't tell. They're things I think those things that you put them on around your thumb and they just do that. This is silver and gold and another gold, silver, gold. Made it. Made it. Made it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to throw this one in. Oh yeah, I have to do these. I keep on missing those. This little thing. It's gonna make a lot of noise if it falls, so let's get it. There, I got it. This fell off the ramen noodle. Well, at least I got that in. Little guy with a belly. This is a fish, a yellow fish. This is a stamp. It's still yellow, so it counts. That made a pretty loud noise. I counted this. It's golden, but I should have counted it brown, but not squishy. It can't make any noise. I need to go put those back into the bin because they all fell. So half of them made a loud noise, but half of them didn't, which I'm actually happy because I would have blown my eardrums out. Well, I did blow my eardrums out already. Okay, so now we're doing green, which is right next to me. Okay, first starting off with this. It looks blue in the camera, it's green at home. Okay, so green. Dinosaur puppet. Keep on missing. Start fresh. Green pop too. Made it. Okay. Green fidget spinner. Another green ramen noodle. Oh, there's two of them, so I'll at show two. It's raining green ramen noodles from out of the sky. I got one in. I don't know, but I think I don't think any of mine cracked, but in the white area, I might show it in another video, but in the white area, and the white thing, there's those I might want to show one to you. There's those little balls inside, and it looks exactly like one of the green ones. So it's still green, so it's still counted as a green fidget. It's part of a green fidget. I love this because it just sounds really good. That missed. These globbles just make me happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna put that in because that's still counted. Globbles are counted, right? I think so. They're counted. These little rings, I have two of them actually. There's this green one and a flower one. There are two. So I'm gonna do this one because I feel scared about it. Didn't make it. You can obviously hear that noise. Okay, this is the big one I got for Christmas. Of course, it's a Christmas tree. I didn't make that one. This one. I love these so much. Because that's why I have one in every single color. Green monkey noodle. It's one of the texture. Oh, another one of these things that broke off. Okay, I have two of these. Actually, yeah, two. Why do two of these are so hard to get out? Can barely get these out. They don't have a face on them, which is pretty sad. I wish they did. I don't get what these are for. I guess you can just fit it on them. This is a puppet, a little small one. There are not a lot of puppets except this. It was multicolored, but I still felt like there was not a lot of green, so I had green in it. That's another one of those. So, we're gonna put the green things into the bucket. Okay. Oh my gosh, so one fell into the rainbow pile, which is super far back here. Oh my god. That was so far. Okay. So I don't think I can fit any more in this video today. Only for me throwing the brown items and stuff. Oh gosh, there's still things in there. Okay. Why am I not making the football one? I'm not okay with that. I'm getting to the point where I need to put all of them back before they make me nuts. But I'm not. Okay, this is for you guys right now. I'm not kidding about that. Yeah. The ones I already did in a different video, those are the ones I'm putting away. Red. I fit all the red Fidgets in my hand at once. Just really kind of necessary. Don't ask why I have a magic misty wand. Those kind of babies. Okay. Stay tuned for the blue, purple, and white video. And oh my gosh, I forgot one of those things to put away. Stay tuned for the blue and purple video because I might do the pink and white together, and then the rainbow is the last one. So blue and purple's in the next video. And maybe you can just watch me put away the fidget dolls real quick. This is the end of the video, but fidget dolls need to get put away. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye guys.